this video, we will solve question related to bank reconciliation statement from NCERT book. That is question number 11 we will be doing today, and question number 13 also, because previously we have done question in which the cash book balance was given and it was having positive balance, or you can say the favorable balance. That is also known as debit balance as per cash book. Now in this video we will be solving the question which are related with unfavorable balance, wherein the balance of the cash book is in you can say negative, or you can say there is credit balance as per the cash book. So in question number 11 it is mentioned that the balance is, or it is also known as overdraft as per cash book, also the unfavorable balance. So here it is given in the question, that is question number 11 we will be doing. The very first statement is overdraft shown as per cash book on December 31st 2017 is 10,000. Since it is an overdraft, so balance of this cash book will be shown in the minus column. The format all I have drawn, this is drawn. The very first transaction, that is balance over, or you can write it also overdraft. Overdraft as per cash book. Instead of overdraft, we can also write unfavorable balance as per cash book, or you can say the credit balance as per cash book can also be written. So, but we are writing overdraft since it is given in the question also. So 10,000 will be written in the minus column because it is an overdraft. Now second is the bank charges for the above period are also debited in the passbook 100. Now here, before doing that, we can write in the short cash book and passbook. Now balance of cash book is given, so we will arrive at the balance of the passbook after doing all the, you can say the whatever the reason we will be listing, the various reason on account of the difference, and after finding out the difference we will be arriving at the balance as per passbook. So what has happened in the passbook, that we have to keep in mind, and accordingly we will be solving the question also. Means what has happened in the, since we have to find the balance as per passbook, so we will be doing all the, you can say the recording here on the basis of the what has happened in the passbook actually. So here bank charges were there debited in the passbook for 100. It was debited. When debited means there was deduction of rupees 100 on account of bank charges. So what has happened in the passbook? There is a deduction. So we will be writing in the minus column this 100 rupees. Bank charges statement will be bank charges debited in passbook. Bank charges debited. Debited in passbook. 100. Now next is interest on overdraft for 6 months ending 31st December 2017 380 debited in the passbook. Similarly, there is debit for 380 rupees on account of interest on overdraft. So what has happened in the passbook? There will be a deduction or less balance of 380 rupees soon will be showing in the, or reflecting in the passbook on account of this the interest which has been debited on account of overdraft. So third statement will be interest on overdraft debited in passbook. Interest on overdraft. Overdraft debited in passbook. 380. Next, the check issued but not cashed prior to 31st December 2017. Now there is a check which has been issued of 2150. Check is issued 2150. It is issued, it is shown as deduction from the cash book. Means there will be reflecting as a payment from the cash book. But this check has not been encashed. Means the check has not been presented to the bank for payment. So there will be no deduction of 2150 in the passbook. So there will be an addition of 2150 will be reflecting in the passbook. So in the passbook what will be showing? It will be, there will be 2150 excess balance will be reflected. So in the fourth statement will be writing check issued but not presented for payment. Check issued. Check issued but not presented for payment. Presented for payment. 2150. 2150. Now the next transaction. Interest on investment collected by bank and credited in the past. interest on investment collected by bank, that is the amount of rupees 600. It has been collected by bank. If it is collected by bank, means it has been credited in our account. Means in the passbook there will be excess of 300, 600 balance will be showing on account of interest which has been collected by the bank. But in the cash book there will be no such entry. So what has happened in the passbook? There is an addition of 600 on account of interest which has been collected, interest on investment collected, interest on investment, interest on investment. Investment, you can say interest on investment credited in the passbook only, you can write credited in the passbook only, credited in passbook only, amount is 600. So there will be 600 additional balance will be showing in the passbook. Again the last one, checks paid into bank but not cleared. Checks has been paid into bank but not cleared before 31st December 2017. Now check has been paid into bank. Means check was deposited into bank and the amount is 1100. Check was deposited into bank. Means there was in the cash book, whenever we deposit the check into the bank, there will be showing a excess balance. There will be showing, you can say, the amount will be reflecting as an addition or increase in the balance of as per the cash book. But it has not been cleared. Means it has not been credited in the passbook. So what will happen? In the passbook there will be less balance of 1100 will be reflected. Since it was deposited in the bank, so in the cash book there would have been, it will be reflecting as 1100 excess amount will be same, but in the passbook since it has not been cleared, so lesser balance of 1100 will be reflecting in the passbook. So what is there in the passbook? There will be less balance in the passbook. So we can write check deposited but not collected, you can see. Check deposited but not collected. Check deposited but not collected also you can write, or but not credited also. Not credited in passbook. 1100 lesser balance will be reflecting in the passbook. Now we will find out the balance. Let us see what is the balance. Now this side is total of the credit side, that is the minus column is more. 10,000 plus 1, 11,100, 200 plus 300, 11,580. 11,580 is the total balance of the minus column, and this is the balance. Let us see the 11,580. 10,000 plus 11 plus 5,080 here. 2,160 means 2,750. 2,750. 3, 15 minus 7, 8. 10 minus 2, 8. 8830 is the balance. 8830. This is the balance. This is the balance as per the last balance as per or better you can write it is, since the balance is the excess, there is excess of negative balance is there, means the minus side, minus column is more, and then you can say plus column, so it will be considered as unfavorable balance also. This will be unfavorable balance as per passbook also. This is unfavorable balance, unfavorable balance as per passbook. This is unfavorable balance as per passbook. Total here also will be getting 11580. Now question number 11 we have done. Now question number 13 also we will be doing. Let us see this question number 13 also. Now, In question number 13 also, let us see what is the balance on 31st December 2017, the cash book of Mittal Bros. Now we can write this, here the name of the firm is also mentioned, so in the top you can write in the books of Mittal Bros. In the books of Mittal Bros. Bank reconciliation statement and date is the same, it is given. Date is 31st December 2017, it is already mentioned. Now here, showed an overdraft. Again here in this question also the balance is the cash book of Mittal Bros showed an overdraft balance. Here also the balance is overdraft. So overdraft as per cash book, because the cash book balance is given. So in the very first statement, overdraft as per cash book. Overdraft as per cash book. Overdraft as per cash book. The balance is 6920. 6920. If the balance is overdraft, that is negative balance, or you can say unfavorable balance, then it is written in the minus column. If the balance is overdraft or unfavorable balance, the amount will be written in the minus column, not in the plus column. Now let us see what are the various other transactions. Now next is the very first, debited by bank for, now before doing this again, cash book, PB for passbook. Now we are starting with cash book, so we will get the balance as per passbook also. Now we will be doing this, solving the question on the basis of what has happened in the passbook. Accordingly we will be writing here the plus column or the minus column also. For example, very first, the debited by bank for 200 on account of interest. If it is debited by bank, means there will be lesser balance, means there will be deduction in the balance as per the passbook also. So for 200 it has been debited on account of interest and 50 on account of charge for collecting bill. There were two deductions. They were debiting, the bank has debited us for two reasons, that is for 200 for interest and for 50 rupees for this on the account of charges for collecting the bills. So there will be, you can say, lesser balance in the passbook will be showing on account of these two things. So the transaction will be debited by bank on account of interest on overdraft, interest on overdraft and bill collecting charges. Bill collecting charges. Total amount 250 will be writing. Total 250 we will be writing. In the same statement we can write this. There is a debit on account of 200 on account of interest on overdraft and bill collecting charges 50. Total 250, there will be deduction. Checks drawn but not encashed. Check has been drawn 4,000. Check drawn means there will be deduction of 4,000 will be there reflecting in the cash book, but it has not been encashed, means there will be no deduction or less balance in the passbook will not be showing, means there will be a excess balance of 4,000 will be reflecting in the passbook. Because check has been drawn, so the cash book will be recording as a payment, but since the check has not been encashed, so there will be no deduction in the passbook. Deduction in the passbook will not be reflecting, means 4,000 extra balance will be reflecting in the passbook, so we will be writing this 4,000 in the plus column also. 4,000 check issued but not encashed. Check issued but not encashed. This. Now next, the bank has collected interest and credited 600 in the passbook. Bank has collected interest. If bank collect interest and credit, it has credit means there is a addition of 600. Means this credit is only appearing in the passbook, because we are not the bank has directly collected the interest, so there will be no addition will be reflecting the cash book, but there will be 600 additional balance will be showing in the passbook. So we will be writing this in the plus column, because interest collected by bank. interest collected by bank. $600. Now next is the bill receivable of 700 previously discounted with the bank has been dishonored and debited in the past. There is a debit. Debit means there is a deduction will be reflecting in the past because the bill has been dishonored. The bill has been dishonored, and since this record of this dishonored is not recorded in the cash book, so 700 minus or lesser balance is 700 of rupees 700 will not be showing in the cash book. There will be only lesser balance of 700 will be reflecting in the passbook only because this bill has been dishonored, and there will be less balance of 700 will be recorded, will be reflecting in the passbook. So we will write bill dishonored recorded in passbook only. Bill dishonored. Bill dishonored recorded in passbook only. In passbook only, 700 minus balance will be reflecting in the passbook. So we will be writing this 700 in a minus column also. Now check paid in the bank but not collected and credited before 31st December 6,000. Check has been paid into bank and not collected. But if we deposit the check, there will be additional 6,000 balance will be reflecting in the cash book. But since the bank it has not been collected, or you can see the balance check has not been cleared, so there will be at 6,000 balance will be not be reflecting, means there will be less 6,000 less will be reflecting in the passbook also. So we will be writing check deposited but not credited. Check deposited. Check deposited but not credited. 6,000 less balance will be reflecting in the passbook. So in the minus column will be writing 6,000. Now the balance we will try to find the balance. Let us see what is the balance. The minus side, you can see that the minus side is more than the plus side. Now 6,920 plus 6,920 plus 6,700 plus 6,950. 6,950. 6,920 plus 6,007 plus 29. 6,950. 0, 7, 9, 18, 8, 1, 12, 1, 13. 13,870. 13,870 is the total of the minus column, and the plus column side is only having 4,600. So we will deduct 4,600 from this 0, 7 to this 9 to 70 is the balance. 9 to 70. It will come to 13,870. Since the minus side is more than the plus side, so this balance will be considered as a, you can say, overdraft balance, because the minus side is more than the plus side. So this will be shown as overdraft as per passbook. This balance is an overdraft as per passbook, or you can also write debit balance as per passbook also, it can be written. So this is question number 11. This was question number 13. Earlier we have done question number 11. Now we will be moving with balance sheet instead of bank balance as per, you can see the cash book balance we have done till now. Now we will be doing question which are related with balance as per, we can see which is given as per passbook also.